Okay, so this is actually what the thing is, it doesn't right. The X, can't say that, okay, get ready, and thanks today, thanks, okay. Right, thanks, thanks. Thanks, right. So this is like that's right. That's like the good thing at the top. So now, I don't know, that says. Cool, the deadline. So this is rather than the X. Cause of the deadline, deadline. Thanks. What you get sometimes? It doesn't say, but. Well, alright, I think I should get something. Accident, there's this is a 27X. It does say that there's a thing. But anyway, that's the thing, design today. Just that, it's right. If this thing can do today, it's okay, 215 processing, and 5.6 gigabytes experienced, 28 gigabytes thanks. Yeah, those okay, that for thanks for doing, and so to get that things it should be like parents, stamps, getting I think could get thanks sorry. And that takes a bit. So this is right. So I can go and take this right. Right, and go. Okay. This is right inside. So go right. It takes space for it. Okay. In a second, it's straight out today. It's saying that it is a practicer. Get that site. Get that clay. Connects. Get connects. And go back to the thing. Right. Yeah, that's like the only lab that expected that way. Like for example, I only paid for that there don't. That connects. See? You have to have this balance all of the banks. Yeah. So connects. Just like the treasure. So now I'm going to start cards. So then, let's start carrying. Oh, that's okay. That's great. This not gonna get used. And that's it, so tape. So, okay. Thanks. It doesn't, so thanks. Today. And I recommend, because I usually like as well. So, okay. Let's do some things. So, don't click, so does call Wraith and navigate and the instant capture. But I recommend using the instant capture actually because we could get the trade that thing. So I recommend that. But it does call it does have the standard collector tanks already, as you can see. I think I still mentioned that the Ryzen, the dead tanks, get the dead tanks, not the desert. Okay. The codec. Okay. Yeah, it should be ready. Okay. That. Just look at that. That looks like they kept that at the Ryzen. Try like that. It seems like. The guys like the data goes out. Try to update that correct. Look at the text today. 8. That's a bad day. And right at the day. So we don't mix it that's good for rain. Just look at it, get the day, if the Ryzen, play the next. I think that thanks, I say text me the next, right, the next part of the high next, like the X-Rex 38, the 838, the SC3 X-Ray. So, alright guys, look at that, it's hopefully life. And so then, goes on. Peace out.